In one such assembly, students gathered in the East Petersburg Elementary School gym to watch professional pogo stick stunt team Pogo and learn a lesson about following their dreams.
So Pogo was a company founded about 10 to 12 years ago.
I saw them at the Barnstormers this past summer, and my daughter leaned over and said, "Mom, we got to get them for an assembly." They were doing flips over people, and it was just a real neat experience.
The assembly was filled with exciting sights and activities, from daring pogo stick stunts to even a pogo stick jumping competition. In the end, a student named Fiona won the competition.
It was very bouncy, and I kept spinning around in circles when I was on the pogo stick. It was really fun, and I was really excited to be there.
The kids make it a lot of fun. They provide a lot of energy, a lot of noise. So as long as they're excited and they're having a good time, we're having a good time, and it makes everything run super smooth and easy.
The assembly wasn't just pogo stick fun. Students also learned an important life lesson: to follow their dreams.
I was one of the first waves of kids that got into pogo sticking and started competing in those competitions about 10, 12 years ago.
And for Tone, following his dreams certainly paid off.
I am the 4-time world pogo stick champion in the category of tech pogo, which is the old school spring style pogo sticks.
But Tone isn't Pogo's only success story. Harry, another stuntman from Pogo, has his own success story. When he was a teenager, he bought his first pogo stick using money from his first job. He practiced and kept practicing for 2 years until he got invited to a show. Now, Harry is part of Pogo. He's been all over the world doing pogo stick stunts, all because as a teenager, he followed his dream. In the end, the assembly served its purpose. Students had fun and learned to follow their dreams. For Hempfield Happenings, I'm Joey Striggle.